Hello guys, this is your daily dose of nature. Here is some dose for you.
So, they say, that if you put baking soda into ketchup, something cool happens. So we're gonna try it. Oops, hang there. Now we're shaking. Oh boy.
$20. He owe me $20.
For the $20.
$20.
He bet you $20.
I can't get this.
Come on, baby.
Let me see what you got, right?
Ready?
Say you go hit it one time, or?
One time.
Dogs ask for treat using buttons.
Mommy. Yes. Oh, okay, of course. You can have one.
Startled horse pulls sled straight into person.
Oh my god. So I'm trying to get Hagen in this kennel. Watch this. Let's go. Oh my god. Denver. Denver, come on. Denver. I have to go back. I want to pee my pants. Denver.
See you guys in the next video and please like, share, and subscribe for more dose.